Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to schedule a message on your Telegram channel easily. Whether you manage a community, share updates, or just like to plan your posts ahead, this feature helps you stay consistent and organized. Open Telegram on your phone or desktop and head straight to your channel. Make sure you have admin rights since scheduling a message is only available for channel creators or admins. Once you're in, look at the message box at the bottom. This is where you'll type the message you want to send later. Start writing your message just like you normally would. It can be a text update, an announcement, or even a reminder. You can also attach media like images, videos, or files if you want your scheduled post to be more engaging. Take your time to craft it just the way you want, because once it's sent, it'll appear exactly as you wrote it. When your message is ready, tap and hold the send button instead of tapping it once. A small pop-up menu will appear with two main options. Select schedule message. Telegram will then show you a calendar and clock interface. Here, choose the exact date and time when you want your message to go out. You can plan it for later, the same day, the next week, or even months ahead. Telegram will handle it automatically. After setting the time, confirm your selection. That's it, your message is now scheduled. You can preview or adjust your scheduled messages anytime by tapping the calendar icon within your channel's chat area. From there, you can reschedule or delete a post before it sends. Scheduling messages is perfect for maintaining an active channel, even if you can't be online all the time. It lets you plan content, ensure timely updates, and keep your audience engaged without missing a beat. Now that you know how to schedule a message on your Telegram channel, start planning your posts and enjoy the freedom of staying organized.